All right, I am no longer in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm actually living in Oregon now. I moved to Roseburg, Oregon, which is where my mom's at now, and just heading out on a hike today. I drove down south of Roseburg a bit, down to Grants Pass, and I'm at the, you see the trailhead over there at the Kirby Peak Trail. It's not a crazy long hike. I think it's only about 7 miles round trip, but it does go up, I think, about 3,000 feet of elevation, so it should be pretty steep. But yeah, this is my first hike out here, so I'm excited to get out and yeah, see what we can find. Right off the bat, we're starting off with some fairly steep inclines here. I found this stick right at the beginning of the trailhead, so you know, might as well have a hiking stick with me. Well, I made it up here without too much of a struggle. It took me a little bit under 2 hours, about a little bit over 3.5 miles and about 2,800 feet of elevation gain, but it was an absolutely beautiful hike. The weather's just about perfect. There's a slight breeze out. Up here, I think it's probably about 45 degrees, which maybe about 50, I don't know, which to me feels great while hiking. Got some sunshine coming out right there. A little bit of extra warmth because it's a little bit chilly up here. Just as I've been sitting here, my hands are getting a little bit cold, but there's a little bit of warmth in the sun there, which is quite nice. I'll finish snacking up here and warm up a little bit while the sun's there. All right, well, hung out for about an hour, flew my drone, ate some snacks, and now I think it's time to head back down. Yeah, it took me 2 hours coming up, so going back down, I'd like to try to get down, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half, get down a bit quicker. I don't think I'm gonna film much on the way back down, probably just focus on hiking and then check in when I get to the car. So yeah, let's hit the trail. And just like that, we are back at the car. But yeah, that was a great trail. About 7.25 miles round trip. Took me 2 hours and 52 minutes. I burned like 1,600 calories is what my watch said. And yeah, I mean the first like 1.5 miles, 2 miles is just pretty steep switchbacks. I mean not crazy steep, but you get up there because yeah, you gain about 2,800 feet elevation, so it goes up a decent bit, and then a mile a little bit more gradual, and then the last mile-ish is pretty decently steep. This is at this trailhead here. The trail goes, the sign there goes up in the trees there. So there's like this additional Forest Service road here and here. That's where the road came up. But it'd be fun to drive up there or drive up there to see where those go. Not sure that I'll do any of that today though, because I've got a 2-hour drive home. So probably gonna hop in the car, CRV looking pretty as always, and start headed back. But yeah, I'd say that was a good first hike here for Southern Oregon. Hopefully there will be many more to come. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video.